Hey YouTube. Hey guys, it's your girl CoverGirl Sanson, and I am back with a update on my tummy tuck. I am 4 days post-op. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys how I feel and what I've been doing. I have not been doing much but sitting in this chair and walking to the bathroom. So I had my surgery on Thursday, 6/18/2020. And I've been home and I have my drains attached to my binder. And um, I haven't really been eating much. I haven't brought and like pineapple juice I'm still having. And I'm drinking like Gatorade Zero still. Today I have the beef broth, and I put like I let my daughter do it. She put like the steamed vegetables in there, like peas and carrots in there, and then I have some crackers with that. That's what I have since morning. And I'm still having my pineapple juice, and I am still on my pain meds, which they're pretty good. They don't really make you feel well, for me, they don't really let me feel too drowsy. The hydrocodone. Um, so I'm on those, and I'm taking them every 6 hours religiously, and that's all I've been taking. And I try to take my melatonin gummies at night because I'm not really sleeping a lot. I'm not sleeping through the night. I'm not sleeping in the daytime. Once I'm up in the morning, I'm up until like 12, after 12 at night still. So I'm getting like a little bit of sleep, which is not good. I need to sleep more, but whatever. And so anyways, I order a new binder because the one that I have I take it off today because it's dirty. So I finally take it off, and I purchased a new one from Amazon, and I got it in the mail. Abdominal binder, ladies free. So I bought this one from Amazon. I'm wearing it right now. It seems pretty good. Don't have a problem since I put it on. It's long enough for my torso, and it holds me pretty well. I also ordered these pads here from Amazon. These are very good. They're 5 by 9. I ordered those from Amazon, and let me show you what they look like. They look like this. They're this big. So what I did was put like they gave you some when you're coming out the hospital, like right around the incision. So what I did was I put like 6 of them together, but I use like tape. Like this is it, and I'll put like a piece of tape right here and add another one to it. So I make it to go like right around the incision. So that's what I did, and then I put the binder over it. And I put them low enough so the binder is not rubbing on my skin to irritate anything. And my drains, I still have those in. I call my surgeon today to get some to ask about the drains. One of them, my left one, has like just a little bit of fluid each time. Like mean the highest I think I ever have in my left one is like 15 ml. But the right one, I get a lot of fluid coming from that one, a lot of drainage. Um, so they told me today that whenever my whenever the drainage for 24 hours is on the 30, like for 2 consecutive days, then I can get the drain removed. But once I'm still getting fluid for 24 hours, that is more than 30 mLs, I have to keep them in. So I think my left one is gonna be on the 30, maybe anytime soon, but my right one I'm not fully sure because I have a log that I'm writing down the numbers that I get. And last night my left one was 25 and my right one was 85. So yeah, I think maybe the left one is almost ready to come out. About the surgery, the hardest part I think is the drainage so far. I'm not sure. Maybe when they come out, but right now the incision is not irritating and it doesn't really hurt as much. It burns at times, but the incision, yeah, those things right there, they are uncomfortable. The part, the incision where they insert the drainage, that's the part that hurt. The drainage tube, those things are a mess. And I'm talking to you guys and I'm getting a little bit drowsy because I just, not really drowsy, but I'm feeling more relaxed because I take my pill. It doesn't really put me to sleep, but I feel a little, you know, nice. Too nice. Um, yeah. Um, Going to the bathroom. I'm feeling a lot of back pain, like a lot of back pain. Like I walk to the bathroom and I'm tired and my back hurt like crazy. The hardest part, I think, is the back pain, and I was feeling pain in my right shoulder a lot yesterday. I'm not feeling it today, but my back is a mess. I can't stand properly, and I still can't stand straight. I'm still crouching over. Um, what else? There is not much. Happy Father's Day, although it's passed yesterday, to everyone, to your dad, your spouse, whatever. Um, yeah, but yesterday I did nothing. I was just sitting here, and guys, let me tell you, if you believe that you're gonna have this surgery and get up and be on the go, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You need help. You need all the help you can get because I'm this kind of person that always do everything in the house and I do everything for myself and I hate asking people to do anything for me. So now I'm here and I'm telling you, I feel like I want to get up and do things and trust me, I can't do nothing at all, nothing. Just nothing. What I can do is just sit here. And today though, I feel a little bit better and I fixed my eyebrows today. I try to fix them and I put my lashes on. Um, I'm not in the mood for the hair as yet. I am really not in the mood for it to be. I don't want nothing on my head and being uncomfortable or whatever. Maybe tomorrow or whenever I feel a little bit better than even today. I mean, I just want to, whenever I'm laying down, I just want to be comfortable. I don't want to think like, oh, I need to fix my wig, or whatever. So that's that. But my eyebrows looks pretty good today. And I put back in some of my earrings yesterday also. And the shower. Oh, let's talk about the bathroom. I still haven't showered. This is history because I normally shower like 3 times a day. The least I shower is twice a day. Sometimes I shower 4 times a day. It all depends. And for me now, not taking a shower, this is difficult. But I get up in the morning and I go to the bathroom and I get washed up. Like I have these disposable bath cloths and I let my daughter put the antiseptic soap on there still, and I soap myself up, and then I get like another washcloth and I clean up, I get rid of the soap that I have on and I get dried and all that stuff. It's almost like taking a shower, but nothing can't beat, standing up and having the water run on you. I can't wait. I'm hoping to take one tomorrow. I called the doctor's office And the reason why I didn't take one today, I want to know about the belly button because I don't want to change the gauze on there unless they say to change the gauze. So I want to make sure because I don't want to leave it wet because I don't want to have an infection. So I don't know what my belly button look like as yet. I removed the binder and stuff. My incision looks pretty good. My stomach is still swollen. It looks way better than before my stomach. But I don't know. I can't wait to see the final results because it looks good, but I'm still not, it's not like, real flat as yet. And I know it's swollen. I know that part. But my right side also has it's not as flat as the left side. So I don't know. Maybe when the swelling go down, everything heals nicely and I could stand straight and whatever. Yeah, and then I'll be going to the gym, see if I can get me some abs. Yeah, but basically that's it. It's not much more than sitting here. My advice is if you're gonna do this surgery, guys, make sure you have help. If you don't have help, it's not easy. You need help. Even when you're in the bathroom, you could clean yourself and stuff like that, but you need somebody to even get you your clothes and give it to you, or maybe to help you to put one foot in something. You're gonna need help. You need help. Last night it was so hard for me because it was burning a lot last night. Where the tubes inserts, it was burning a lot, so I wanted to brush my teeth, and it's like, oh my God, I couldn't walk back to the bathroom at that time. So what I have to do is have my daughter give me like, a sanitary cup with my toothpaste and toothbrush, everything like right here, and I had to like brush my teeth and get a bottle of water and spit in the cup and and give it. So, anyways, I have my clothes on. I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna see if I could post pictures. I'll try. I'm not sure because I'm not too big with this YouTube thing as yet. I don't know how to edit and do all these kind of things. So whatever you see, that's what you get. um, I have my drains. I put them. They were in the middle. Okay, and I put them to the sides right here. So I have my binder on there, my drains, next tube, lay it down. Yeah, I'm gonna try to post pictures and hopefully in my next video I could stand up like more straight and whatever so I could actually like video and show you guys what my incision look like. Maybe I'll try to do it in the morning when I already have my binder off because taking this thing off and putting it back on and all that mess, it's not that easy. My post-op appointment is Tuesday, so I can't wait to go and see the doctor and see what he says. Hopefully, I'll be feeling much better by then. And now that I do my stomach, I can't wait to get my arms done. I have all this extra skin on my arm. I can't wait to get it done. That's from my weight loss. So, guys, um, yeah, that's it. Take care until next time. I'm tired right now. I'm just tired by talking. I guess that's from all the anesthesia and everything, in your body. So, anyways, guys, take care, and I'll be back with an update soon.